everybody, and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host, Soul, and today we'll take a look inside of Bleach, set 13 on Blu-ray. So here's the cover, the spine, the back, which looks like that, and then that, and then the other spine. Take the slip cover off, you get a little more of the same. Then you open it up and you get that artwork. Then you get disc 1 with episodes 338 to 345. Then you get disc 2 with episodes 346 to 352. Disc 3 with episodes 353 to 359. And disc 4 with episodes 360 to 366. And then you get that artwork. This has been Bleach, set 13 on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.